let's prep our eggplant for some ratatouille. So I've already sliced up the eggplant. All I've done really is laid it down on its side, taken my knife, and then cut a slice through about this thick. Then what I like to do, because eggplants tend to be a little bit bitter, and the more bitterness we can take out, the more likely the kids are to eat it without complaining. So I then lay out my slices. I put a little bit of salt on them, and then I just drain out the water. So if you see, I had a paper towel on, and you can kind of see it's absorbing the moisture. So I just let it sit for an hour. That's why I cut it beforehand, and take out some of that bitter liquid. Now that I have my less bitter eggplant, I'll put this over here. I'm going to cut it into cubes. When I make my ratatouille, I like to pour my eggplant into the pot with my garlic and my oil so that it can start absorbing those flavors. Eggplant is very absorbable. It kind of feels a little bit like a sponge. So it doesn't have too much taste on its own. So that's why it's something you really want to enhance when you're cooking. So now I'm just going to stack up my eggplant, and I'm going to slice across. Right away, I like to prep before my kids get in the kitchen. So in order to preserve my ratatouille or my eggplant pieces, I'm going to take these cubes and I'm going to put them into a bowl. And to prevent oxidation, that's again where the outside, so oxidation is when the outside of the eggplant interacts with the air and it starts to turn a little bit brown. Everything is fine, it's just the way it looks. So I'm just putting a little bit of lemon juice on. Acid will help prevent oxidation, so coat this in a little bit of lemon juice. I prefer lemon because it goes well with the flavor of what I'm cooking. You can also use any acid, so vinegar of any sort. Sometimes I'll use vinegar for potatoes or orange juice. Sometimes people will like that. So today I'm using lemon, and then I'm gonna put it into an airtight container, seal it up, put it in my fridge until I'm ready to cook with it.